Want to impress with an easy, delicious dish? Let's dive into chicken biryani. Start by soaking your rice for 20 to 30 minutes. In a pot, heat 3 teaspoons of oil and fry cloves, star anise, bay leaves, cinnamon, and cardamom until aromatic. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee, then toss in 2 sliced onions and a pinch of salt. Next, slice 3 green chillies and 3 tomatoes. Add them in and saute until soft. Mix in a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, cooking till the raw smell disappears. Now, add 500 grams of chicken and fry it nicely. Season with turmeric, chilli, coriander, cumin, pepper, and biryani masala to taste. Squeeze in half a lime, pour in the soaked water, and bring to a boil. Check your seasoning, then add the soaked rice. Cook for 2 whistles on medium flame. Serve hot with raita, chicken 65, omelette, or boiled eggs. Enjoy your delicious chicken biryani.